Today I'm going to talk about the reporting capabilities in EvaluWise and show you how our approach to reporting is unique and different than other offerings and should save you time in the process. So on our most recent update, we've changed the look of the home screen slightly. At the top, you'll see three different boxes. On the left, you're going to see a breakdown of teachers and evaluations based on whomever's logged in. So it will show the number of each, so you could quickly click on those and go to your list of teachers or your evaluations. On the right, we've got notifications. So when someone completes a form, uploads a document as a teacher, you will be notified when you're logged into your account. You can simply click on that notification and go right to that particular observation or document. In the middle section, this is where we get into more of a high-level view of what's going on. So this is particularly relevant at the district level, but also is important for individuals. So if you're logged in to your account, you're going to see a breakdown of all the observations and evaluations based on their status in this list. Now, by clicking on this filter button, you can filter this data any way you'd like. So you could select the school or grouping, however it's set up in your particular situation, to zero in on a particular entity, or you could select an administrator if you're at a say an HR position, and if you want to see where they're at with their observations. And then down here is a slider to turn on or off whether or not you're viewing only your evaluations that you've created yourself. So that would be very relevant for an administrator who's got a building where there's many people doing evaluations. Now on any of these, if you click on the link, you're going to get a list of those observations in that category. So these are formal evaluations in progress. You've got evaluations that are completed, and you could also click on those to go directly to them. And you've got informal observations there, and then down here you've got your summative that you can also look at, and that scrolls, of course. In the middle section, you would be able to add new observations as well, although that's not necessarily related to reporting. It is a new feature that we've added in the most recent release. Now, if you go over to the reporting tab, our approach to reporting is to list very few reports that are general and kind of apply to everybody. Many people may want to use them. But the difference is we will create specific reports for your district that you want and place those in your account, so you don't have to sort through dozens of different reports that you're never going to be interested in or never use. So we will do 3 to 5 reports customized for your district at no additional fee. Now, just to show you an example of some of these reports, of course you can break down by date, school, evaluator. You can run a report on the evaluation counts, how many of the different types have been done. You can do performance averages. So this would give you a listing of averages based on, in this case, building, average ratings by component. If you want to remove buildings, you can do that by clicking on the one you want to remove, and it'll break it down with just the information you need. Performance level counts. Again, this can be broken down by rubric or school. It's going to tell you how many people are at various performance levels in that school or group. This will give you a listing of signed summative evaluations. We've got a performance rating list, which you could also export data, which is not a problem. And then here we have a teacher performance rating list report that's going to give you their name as well as the rating. So that's your teacher performance rating list report. And then this is also a breakdown of the list by level count, so it would break it down by your rating levels. And then I'll show you some of the custom reports we've done for various districts. This one is based off a walkthrough form that was created in the software. Any form could be created and data pulled out. We have observation data, so the formatting can be done any way you like. It could be formatted to output onto your specific summative form. There's a performance rating list, the level counts again. Here we've got commentary from the different domains and the rating levels, as well as signatures. Here we've got informal evidence. So the bottom line is we can do any reporting you want. You just specifically tell us, and we'll include 3 to 5 reports with your licenses at no additional fee, and that way it keeps your account from being cluttered and you can get quickly and easily to the reporting that you want. And please contact me by replying to the email you may have received, and we can set up a time to discuss how Evaluwise would work with your district and your particular situation, so we can save you time on your teacher evaluations this coming school year.